Why does it taste like coffee?
Is that coffee? So we're gonna be at Disneyland today.
Yeah, we have
And-
matching earrings today.
Cheers.
Cheers! So, here's our review of the High Noon.
Okay, so this is a gingerbread chai latte.
No, just ginger chai latte. It's not gingerbread. But I mean, there's ginger in chai anyway, but maybe there's like ginger syrup or it's infused more.
Every time we film, like a child screams.
So it's a ginger chai from the coffee house at Disneyland.
It's a Disneyland hotel. Let's try this little Lady and the Tramp moment.
Okay.
That's really cool.
This is very close. I don't know if this is gonna work. We're gonna bump our heads. Why does it taste like coffee?
Is that coffee? No, that's definitely coffee. Are you sure?
It was a ginger chai latte.
That's definitely coffee. Alana, you should try this.
I got you a straw. Is it a dirty chai? It didn't say that it was a dirty chai.
It's disgusting.
It's nice if you're expecting coffee, but I wasn't expecting coffee.
It's just gross though. Like, cause it's very clearly just a ginger syrup, and for me,
Yeah.
I'm like, if I want,
ASMR?
that's an annoying ASMR. That's like fingernails on a chalkboard. Oh! Stop.
I taste coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So immediately, this is a fail.
It tastes good to me. I like
Well, no one
It's supposed
asked.
to be a... Okay. It didn't say if it was supposed to be a dirty chai, but it tastes like a dirty chai.
Okay, so for me, that's a 0 out of 10. I would never
Yeah.
order this again. I wouldn't order this.
So are we rating out of 10?
I mean, sorry, 0 out of 5.
0 out of 5 tea vendor tea leaves.
Yeah, like just 0. Just 0. Just toss it. Toss it. Get it out of my face. I don't want to see it.
So anyway, to the High Noon.
Do you think they used some type of filter or something that they didn't rinse out thoroughly from coffee?
So I was thinking that like maybe it was prepared in the same thing as like a coffee drink, because that's what Starbucks does a lot of the times. Like if you get like a frap and it's the one that doesn't have the coffee in it, you could take a sip of that.
Okay.
You could take a sip of it and it'll still
But
taste like coffee.
I really think that they put coffee in it, because do you see how dark this...
Yeah, it's too dark. It's too dark to be tea.
I want my own... Want to go all first?
You want your own?
I want my
Is that what you
part. I want a private part. We're trying the pumpkin chai.
The pumpkin pie chai iced tea.
Iced tea.
Yeah. So it's a chai tea with a pumpkin pie
Cold
cream
foam creamer,
cream cap. Cream cap.
And so
So-
we were also supposed to try an acai smoothie topped with matcha, but it's just topped with matcha. It's stupid. You won't be able to taste it. It's unnecessary. It's gimmicky.
No.
I didn't have to buy it to know.
No, they
So-
could have put it in it, which I think would have been kind of nice, the matcha and
Yeah, but you still wouldn't have been able to taste it because it's acai.
yeah. So Disney, hit us up.
And we
We'll
can
help you.
formulate some drinks for you.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
I'm the recipe
Hire
drink
us.
girl. I got you.
And I'm really good at telling her whether or not those drinks are good.
You always love them, let's be real.
Okay, so they use syrup. It's way too sweet.
Very
It's
sweet.
unnecessary.
I feel like this could have been really nice if they didn't load it with syrup. It's like,
You can taste the pumpkin,
Yeah.
which is nice, but it's just so sugary. Sweet, like if you like a sweet chai, this is great.
yeah, which I feel like a lot of people do, because most of your average chai drinkers are like people who drink like the Starbucks chai, which is a very sweet chai. So I feel like this would be really good with like the masses.
I think just a little bit less sweet, and this would be awesome.
Yeah.
Actually, it's
Yeah.
unnecessary how much sugar they put in here.
I would say it's like a solid, maybe like 3 out of 5 tea vendor tea leaves,
I
because
give
it's
it a yeah. You can definitely
Yeah.
taste the tea. So I
Yeah.
say three
you
out
can
of
taste
5
the tea.
leaves.
It's very pumpkin pie. It fits the season.
Very pumpkin pie.
I'm not disappointed.
Yeah.
I just wish it was a little less sweet, but it's not bad. Nice little try there, Disney.
On to the next.
Let's go.
What is this?
I will tell you when I talk to the camera.
Tell me now. So I don't look like a buffoon.
You never look like a buffet.
Like an idiot.
Though they did tell me to make sure that we mix it. We are trying the Toontown Fall Harvest Pumpkin Iced Tea from Cafe Daisy. It is a sweet tea with vanilla and pumpkin spice syrup, whipped topping, caramel drizzle, and cinnamon sugar.
All right, well, let's give
I'm
it a
expecting it to
try.
be sickening sweet.
Sickeningly sweet. They said to mix it, so that's what we're gonna do. We don't want it to like fall.
Lady in the tram. Oh, I actually kind of like that. It's really sweet, but I kind of like it. It's not as sweet as the previous one.
It's not as sweet as the previous one. It tastes like sweet tea. Honestly, I would go without the vanilla
Mm-hmm.
in there. I would just do the pumpkin, but
And the caramel's nice.
the caramel is nice. It's a little salty. That's yummy. I actually kind of like it.
So do I.
I guess yeah. Today isn't like a total bust.
No.
We tried 2 out of the 4 that we had originally planned for. We didn't try the matcha because it was just a topper. There was no point. It's just a gimmick.
Yeah.
I'm not here for gimmicky
just
type
stick.
stuff. I want to be able to taste the tea, and I knew I wasn't going to taste the tea.
Yeah, just
So-
hit us up because you could have used matcha in that recipe.
Okay, that's up for debate.
No, I think they could have because it was a smoothie.
That one was a bust. It wouldn't work.
I like this one though. I
I
think
do
out
like
of
this one. Yes.
the first one that we had at the Disneyland Hotel. No, the second one, which was the pumpkin pie chai,
Too sweet.
too sweet, had potential.
It did taste like pumpkin pie.
It did.
Which is yummy. This one, I'd give it a 3.2.
Yeah, I was gonna say maybe like a 3.3, 3.1.
Yeah, I mean, you come to Disney, you're gonna get sugary drinks, sugary everything. Even the pizza's got sugar up the wazoo. So, but that's it for us for today.
Yeah. You know how
Our Disney Channel, the Mickey Mouse thing.
the wand and they would do the ears.
Are you able to do that or no? Because I don't want to do it. We'll look stupid.
Wait, so are we gonna do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. That sounds so stupid. Okay. This has been Bianca.
And this has been Siobhán.
And you're watching Disney Channel. We're at Disneyland.
What is that?
It's somebody in a wheelchair. Stop. That's ableist. That's ableist
Bianca.
behavior. They can't help it.
Oh.
Okay. So we're at Disneyland.